want to make your 2-5-1 more interesting, check these ideas. I am using three very interesting elements there. The first one is over the 5 chord, I'm playing a tritone substitution. And I am targeting this note, which is the 9 of the B7. Then I'm using a motif. And the first time that I'm resolving to the 1, I'm going to the 9 and I'm playing this chord beneath, which is a 1 diminished. And then I'm going to this chord. So let me play the whole thing a little bit slower.